Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back to another live stream. Sorry there for the delayed start. I was just making sure everything was set up before the live stream started, and I still haven't set up completely because I don't have music going. Let's go ahead, let's get this music going on real quickly. I need to pop out the chat real quickly as well. Alright. I think we're good. Welcome everybody. I see you in the chat. We got Fabby50 coming back. We got Redstone Master here. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining in again. Let's go ahead and play some music here. Kaboom. Alrighty. So what we are doing today. Oh god. Let me just quickly switch this around. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be continuing with working on features with Wi-Fi. Now, I'm not sure if I've shown this off, but I'll do it now. But pretty much I finished all the color devices type stuff that we've done. I can't remember what we did yesterday. I mean, I know we worked on it, but I'm not sure what we finished up to. But I guess I'll show it off anyway. So let's go ahead and let's launch up the game here. But yeah, we're going to be working on Wi-Fi stuff, creating proper settings for it. Maybe potentially make it so I might make it so you actually own the router. So that's one thing we need to do is whoever placed the router is the owner of the router. So we're going to do that. We also want to add some more settings, so we want to be able to manage who's actually connected to our network, and in case somebody, we want to remove a device, we can do. But let's see all you guys in the chat. Who we got in here? We got Fabby50, we got Redstone Master, we got Austin TV, we got Moman, Coffee, Crazy. Who else have we got in here? Xbox One. How's your night going, Cray? It's actually the morning. It's actually the morning for me, dude. It is currently 10:34 AM in the morning. I am in the future, guys. I am in the future. If you're from America, I'm in the future. We have flying cars now. Oh yeah, this is a new change. So I actually added USB ports to the side of the laptop. I was thinking about I might actually change it around that the color of the USB actually matches the actual color scheme of the laptop, which would be good. So I might actually do that. But basically it's got USB. They're actually real pictures of a USB port. So I'm not 100% happy with it, but I'm going to change it later on. But at least now, it's easier to understand where the USB goes. I still got to add support for 2 USBs, so right now only one is supported. But, pretty good if you ask me. How's everybody else doing? People ask me how I'm doing. How you guys doing? They always ask what you're doing, not how you're doing. Rest in peace. Look at this ultimate gaming setup here right now, guys. Have a look at this ultimate gaming setup. This is something else. This is something else right here. This is the best setup, 10 out of 10 you've seen. 11 out of 10. 11 out of 10 actually. What do you guys think of this green setup? Do you guys like this green setup? This is the green gaming den. The green gaming den. Mate, what happened to the skateboarding mod? I mean, I didn't purposely stop it. I just, basically, the problem was, I couldn't get it to, my vision for the mod was to make it work on servers, but the problem that I was running into is that it was becoming, it's hard to make it, smooth on servers. I'm not exactly sure what I was doing wrong. Maybe if I go back to it now, I could probably figure it out. But when I actually did kind of stop developing, Like I couldn't, you know, I couldn't figure out how to make it smooth on servers, and that was a problem because if it wasn't smooth on servers and you're getting elastic, you know, you're becoming like it was elastic banding all the time. If that was happening, then it's not gonna, you know, not gonna work. So, did I miss the cheese hype? No, we haven't done it yet. We have not done it yet. We're gonna be doing it soon, in a second here. I might actually have to grab a coffee or some food. I need to grab a coffee or some food. Oh, I got some Doritos. Got some Doritos. The ultimate setup. So if you guys don't know, we did colored devices. So we got colored USBs now. Oh yeah, I fixed up. Oh, this is new as well. This is new as well. I forgot to show this up. Alright. So if you hop into here now, boom, have a look at this. So now we actually have, well, the laptop render actually has the screen on it now. So I added that to it. There's also, you know, we've also got all the routers and the colors, the printers. We also fixed up the USB icons, so we flipped it 180, so it's actually got the USB port facing to the front of us now, which is pretty good. So many devices to select from, so many routers, so many printers, so many USBs. It's going to be a crazy combination of colors. Let's go for a yellow. Let's go for a yellow laptop. A yellow setup. Battles of the setups right now. That's what it's going to be. Battles of the setups. Oh, ooh, ooh. Let's get the yellow router. The yellow printer. Oh god. Oh. Ooh. That was good. Look at that. Oh god, that's a beast setup right there. That's a beast setup. Also, there's vertical routers. I forgot to mention that. Fabi50 helped me with that. I actually had to fix up your model because I don't think you translated it correctly, but pretty much I fixed it up and it is all good now. I think there's still one thing that I gotta do to it. The connection height, the gap in between there is not the same as the version of when it's down. So as you can see, the gap between there is a little bit more noticeable. Whereas here, it's very hard to see the gap. Very hard to see the gap. So I'm going to fix that up. Maybe in this live stream today, because we're working on Wi-Fi. So fix up the routers in this live stream today. But, you know, that's looking fresh. That is looking fresh. Let's have a look at this. Hey, why haven't you updated the furniture mod? What do you mean? I'm pretty sure it's updated to 1.12. Oh, it might be 1.12.2. Yeah, I gotta check that out and see what's wrong with it. Nice music, Cray. Cheers, my man. I just moved everything. It's hard to do things on a teeny laptop screen. True, though. But yeah, cheers for the PR, though. It sucks that the X rotation didn't work. I'm going to have to submit like that as a bug. Or submit it as like, maybe I'm doing it wrong or something like that. But I thought, you know, it would have worked. When will this be fully released? I don't know yet. It's still, you know, it's still pretty heavily in development. It's not finished. There's still a lot of things, you know, I want to add in. You know, it might even be that, you know, I don't know. I don't know when to consider a fully released thing. Like, do I release, like, you know, a version? Yeah, there's still things I want to do before I release it. Like, a lot of API changes, mainly. Because that's going to be, like, the most important thing. Oh, it's on 1.12, dude. It's on 1.12. I made my own mod called Techie Data's First Mod. I will release a pic on Discord. Okay, cool. Cool. I should make it so when you open it up, I don't know if that'd be a good idea. It'd be cool if the screen actually had like the yellow trimming on it as well. Like make it look a little bit more, you know, because the screen has nothing to do with the color of the laptop. So I want the screen to have something to do with the laptop color, maybe. Now I'm gonna connect this up manually. I'm gonna connect it up manually. So we're connected on the Wi-Fi. One thing I really want to do is the whole web browser thing. Like, obviously not a real one, but like the fake one that we discussed, I think yesterday, or the live stream before that one. What does the Wi-Fi do? It allows you to connect devices up to each other. So if you want to actually be able to print, you've actually, you know, get to connect it up to a router so the laptop can actually find it. Because this thing doesn't have Bluetooth. These things don't have Bluetooth. So you need to connect it through the Wi-Fi, and then, you know, you can print stuff out. It's pretty cool. We'll connect it up now. Oops, right click there. Ching. So they connected up. So if we actually go, you know, we could just go to, I think it's going to get print. Beep. You should make the laptop have an opening animation. I'm already 100 steps ahead of you, dude. That was literally the first thing I added in the mod. You're 700 commits behind me, dude. It's literally the first thing I added into the mod was the animation. I'm gonna start looking at Discord instead of using extension to see when you go live. Okay. Yeah, usually Discord I always post, like, you know, when I'm going live over there, so that's all good. I think so, I don't know. Remember, Mr. Crayfish, 5 billion stems ahead of everyone. What? 5 billion steps ahead of everyone. Pretty much. People like suggesting features that are already in. Like, you should add it actually, like, when you right click the laptop, make it so it opens up a GUI. Oh! You've already done that. You should add in a printer. Done. You should add in a router. Done. You should add in the USB. Done. Oh god. Yeah. It happens. Alright. Which is your favorite? Yellow or green? Yellow or green? Can we get yellow? Yellow for cheese hype, or green for apple hype? But not cheese hype or apple hype? You should add an external mouse and keyboard. There's no point. I'm not gonna add something like, I don't know, something like that's so pointless. Because, like, there's no point. I wanted to add coffee. Maybe we'll add coffee today. Should we add coffee? I want to add, like, a coffee mug. Kafifi. Add a computer chair? Oh, damn, that is not a bad idea, dude. We should add in a proper computer chair. Computer chair and coffee. Should we do that today? A computer chair and coffee. That would not be a bad idea. Because, like, I was unsure what I was going to do today. I literally just put Wi-Fi in the title because, like, I had some things to work on it. But, like, I feel like maybe we should do something a little bit more fun. Hashtag computer chair. I love the idea. Can we get some coffee hype? Speaking of coffee hype, I should get a coffee, but I don't know. I already had an up and go. I already had an up and go, so I'm already up and ready to go. Cray, Surf Eagles, ate your cheese and crackers stash. Oh, what the? Alright. I don't even know where he is. He's left. Alright, so. Let's quit. Let's go ahead and create a new branch. Create a new branch. We'll call this extras. Extras. I don't know what to call it. I guess it falls on the furniture. Oh, I'll call it decorations. External one, this is pointless. Happen time. Ah. Decorations. Yeah, I call it decorations. Paint the sky all because of you. I want to make it like the community edition mod, but I'm going to create my own custom chair model. I'm not going to use the same one because I want it I want the model to actually match the laptops. And then we'll have colored chairs as well. Every single colored chair. How's that sound, guys? Every single colored chair. Obviously styled properly. Mr. Crayfish, do you like apples? Or like apples? Cause block office char. Block office char. Wheelie. What's the actual chair called? Is that called an office chair, or is that actually like a proper name for it? Let me know if there's like a better name for it. Like block. Is it like a wheelie chair, or is it like a office chair? Computer desks. Computer desks not a bad idea, actually. That's not really bad. That's a really good idea, actually. Let's get this idea. Let's get these ideas down so we don't forget them. Oh, it's a good song. Ideas. Gaming chair, office chair. Oh, I just call it office chair, whatever. So cool, it's like furniture. You guys can't see this. Desk. Coffee. We probably need like a coffee machine too. We do need to do a coffee machine too. Cray, will you go on thought patrol with me? Sean back with the thought patrolling. Yeah, sure, alright, we'll go on thought patrol. We'll go on thought patrol now. Trying to spot them, mate. Trying to spot them, mate. Can you see any? Trying to spot them outside my window. Two thoughts spotted. 2 thoughts spotted. Thoughty spotted. You need charger for laptop. We haven't implemented it in a battery yet, so charger won't come yet. Make rainbow laptops, printers, routers, chairs, maybe even more non-survival Easter eggs like the rainbow couch. I'll see what I can do. That would be cool. Like the jib. The jib. If there's lag, it's your own fault. Cause, okay, let me know in the chat right now if there's lag. Because then, if somebody says there's no lag, then it's your problem. Yeah, see, no lag. Lewis, it's your own problem. Turn down the quality. Or get better internet. I sent you a Simpy Coffee ID and sponsor only on Discord. I can fly. Shift right click to place on ground, right click to alone to drink. Alright. Trying to think what type of it's going to need a tile extends. There's a different way to do tile entities now. Apparently this is like material. So office chair. If that's what you want, the chair's rock solid. Standing on solid rock. So I got that. This stuff. Set creative. I can fly. Don't know why this ain't like final. Tab device. Here. Can you add a desk? Someone's already suggested that. Do you know where I can learn Java code like you? Practicing for 5 years. Look online for tutorials. Go to university. Wouldn't recommend university option. Look online instead. It's free. Program, like, I didn't like, the thing is, like, people like expect to learn programming straight away. But like, to get to this point where I am right now, like, I'm not even, like, honestly, like, I'm like, I know, like, I know I can program and that type of stuff, but like, there's still so much I don't know. There's still so much I don't know. But even to get a point like where I am now, it's taken like 5 years of like pretty much coding at least once. So I pretty much like, I would have at least I would at least be coding once a week. But now more like coding almost every single day, so it's kind of good. Alright, so do we have like Alright, let's have a look. Ooh, okay, we got an update. Alright, so guys, this is a pretty big issue. So basically, I'm not sure if you guys know, but I submitted a PR on Forge because there's a pretty major bug in Forge where because basically the laptop, right, the laptop and the mod, right, when I actually break it, all the MBT is put onto that item, right? The thing I don't want to do is send that data to the client, because it could be a ton of data, and that's just going to cause unnecessary overhead on the server, on the network. So I'm just basically trying to avoid that. But there's a bug with it that the client overrides the server's version of the item, which means it loses data. And I basically submitted a PR, and I'm almost getting to the point where it's getting merged. Almost getting to the point where it's going to be merged. So I had to explain, like, this guy wanted to know something about this, so I did this. And then last night I literally wrote this massive thing explaining everything. Thanks for the explanation. Will there be an issue if there's a similar scenario when a player gets an item in survival and then goes into creative mode, moves the item around the inventory? Made it when you switch. Inventory, so okay. When you switch. Save the full. Your inventory. When you switch to creative, you will receive the full image. Yeah, it's a good enough answer, but yeah, I literally, like, I had to, because I need to, like, convince them in a way that this is a bug, you know, why a bunch of my changes happened, because they're very, very picky. They're very, very picky, especially when I've changed 16 files. Very, very picky about that. So, I mean, it's almost there, so hopefully we can we get some praise in the chat? Can we actually get a cheese hype in the chat, guys? We haven't done a cheese hype yet, but first, if you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button. Can we get the stream English only, please? I'm not sure who that is, but can we keep that English only, please? Or I will time you out. But let's go ahead. Let's get a cheese hype right now. So if you guys don't know what a cheese hype is, you simply just type in hashtag cheese hype and then post a bunch of cheese emojis along with it. So let's go ahead. Let's do this right now. Cheese hype in 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! Yeet! Yeet! I just yeeted that bottle. Make sure everybody's messages show here. Oh god, the cheese hype is real. Oh, the cheese hype is real. Cheers, guys, for all the support there. Oh my god, so much of it. We've got Cooper, Bloxy Way. Who else have we got here? Doing cheese hype. Haunted, Fabby50, Enderbrine. Cheers, guys. Appreciate ya. Appreciate ya. Sean Coward, first stream. Welcome to the stream, dude. Hope you enjoy. It's a very different version of my normal stuff. Very different version of my more normal stuff. Block office check. Alright. Alright, let's go. Basically, what you'll see here soon. Because there's no point of me, like, Legs chair full. Alright, let's just do it. Because I'm basically basing it off of the one that I did in the community edition. So I did a public static property. Public static final property. Enum. We're going to create a class in here. So public enum type. Legs seat. Because basically I have to do two different types of rendering. Because what I'm going to do is make it so when you actually sit on the chair that the chair actually, you know, moves. The chair turns with you. Oh god, penguin song. We don't like the penguin song. No. No penguin song. Oh god. There we go. Oh no. That was close, guys. We almost played the penguin song. We don't like the penguin song. Hashtag no penguin song. And now coffee hype. Fabby 50. You're a legend. You are a legend. Class. Bum, 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 bum. Ah, we just don't do that, oopsie. Ah. Oopsie implements serializable. Get name. Oops. Oh, whoa. Huh. That's weird. I've never seen that syntax before. I've never known you could do that with enums. So you can override the methods. I've never seen that done before. I've never seen that done before. That was I just want to point out that it's 7:35 PM where I am right now. Last stream until I can't watch that anymore because I will go back to the UK. Oh, damn, dude. Why can't you watch them in the UK? Oh yeah, it's probably because it's too late in the UK. Damn it. When is Mod Week? Mod Week is going to be like next year. Mod Week is going to be next year. No penguins. River. No penguins allowed, alright? Let's try these Doritos. What time is it in the morning? Oh, good. I got like a weird Dorito packet. Eh? Doritos. You guys are like, what the heck? Because you're probably from like America or something. Different stuff in different countries. Creating mods every day of the week. Boom, boom. What else do we need to do to this? So is the has tile entity true? Create tile entity. We need a create block state. New block state container facing, oops, this easy Dorito hype. We have Doritos in Sweden. There's like, these are like lime. It's like a combination in this packet. It's like they're either lime or they're sweet chili. The sweet chili ones are the better ones. This is the lime one. %of viewers have liked the video. Who hasn't? Hashtag crunchy Cray. What the heck? What the heck? Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's start creating. I think we'll just create the model first. We could register it. New tile entity. Char extends new tile entity office chair. Register it. Office char. Because I've already read the messages. You said, yeah, I read it out before, dude. Hashtag Doritos Cray. Alright, let's get this model going right now. So I'm gonna head over to my model creator. How do you get Eclipse to log in with your Minecraft account and not play it? You basically have to specify basically your username and password. I'm not going to show it just because it might pop up with my password, but you just, you know, if you can, you know how you can specify width and height You just specify your username, your actual username. So it'd be your email actually, and then your actual password. Alright, so let's start this off. I was gonna try and think what's a good size. I mean, chair wheels are kind of small. Wheel 1. Wheel 3. Wheel 4. Hey, I'm back from mowing the lawn. Have you made the chair yet? Not yet. We're doing it right now. We're doing it right now. I think I was a little bit here. I'm always watching Beware of the Eyes of Fabric 50. It's like the Illuminati. You like the Illuminati, dude. Illuminati. Cheers there for the super chat. Oh!
I'm always watching. Beware of the eyes of Fab A50. Cheese.
We lost one of the crayfish heads. We lost one of the crayfish heads. Rotation. Cray, I was so sad when I missed seeing you at PAX 2016. Oh, damn, dude. Yeah, that was a while ago. We're gonna come to the meetup. Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be good having bigger. I don't know. Is a difficult. Let's see, office chair. What are you making? Making an office chair. Let's try this. Make this 2.5. Just gotta fix up the positioning. There we go. Cause legs 1. Rotation. Not bad so far. Not bad so far. The chair idea for the chair was mine and Cray. I was trying to come Saturday, but my mum got tickets for Sunday. Ah, okay. I was still there Sunday. Dude. You should make one of those racing chairs that a lot of people use. Yeah, I'm gonna do something like that. I want to make it look cooler. Looks like the what's it called? Nintendo 64 logo. Let's have a look. Kind of. See it? You see it? No, you don't. See you later, Noodle. What up, Luke? You didn't miss a lot. Rafa Plays coming in. Hashtag Nintendo 64 chair. We'll do the texturing soon. It looks majestic. Sean Coward coming in hot with the super chat. I
will, honeybee, watching while you eat your cheese Doritos.
I'll be watching you while you eat your cheese Doritos. Nice little play on words there, except for the B part. It said honeybee. I will honeybee watching you while you eat your cheese Doritos there. Cheers, dude, for the super chat. Appreciate ya. You should make a Nintendo 64 console for the mod. No, I'm not going to do anything copyright. Legs 3. Oh, I don't want to add a Nintendo 64. It just doesn't. It doesn't fit my mod. It's not my vision for my mod. Wasn't my original vision for the mod to add in gaming consoles or anything like that. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm doing like something that's the right height. So this is currently 8 pixels tall. Nine pixels tall. I'm gonna bring that back down again. Let's give it a little bit of texturing, I reckon. And blue base, my favorite texture. My favorite texture, boys. That's looking pretty good. How many songs do you have on the stream list? I don't know. It plays randomly, so sometimes it ends off quickly. Then make a mod called Mr. Crayfish's Game Console mod. I don't want to create that mod. I don't want to create a gaming mod. Usually when I do like a lot of mod ideas, they're always, you know, they're always stuff that I want to do. Usually they're not suggestions or anything like that. If I do suggestions, they're usually commissions, so they're usually commissions. What texture should we use? Whoa. Alright. We're actually gonna do... I just don't want to look too similar to the Community Edition version of the mod. Right. Alright, let's try this. I mean, not that, but you'll see in a second here. Actually, oops, delete. Wheel connection. 1. Terrible wheel design. It won't roll. Looks dope though. Alright, let's try this. Oh no, we can't do it. Ah, my god, we can't do that. We can't, because I was trying to rotate on 2 angles. We can only rotate on 1 angle. That's just Minecraft for you. So I can't really do too much about that. What does this look like? So if we do that, reduce the size of that, and then if we go ahead and we say like looks a bit better. To have a little bit of detail like that on it. Skir pop pop pop. Skinny pop pop pop. Exactly. Why YouTube haven't got to the tag suggestions on mobile? I don't know. 10 years, dude. Just 10 years later, you know, they'll get to it, you know? When will this update come out? Not sure yet. I wanted to release a new version of the mod again before Christmas. Just with the router. Probably not this, but with the router. pretty cool so far. Got a expectation now. Those cigarettes. That's what it says. Oops. Let's duplicate that. There we go. Looking pretty good so far. What do you guys think? What do you guys think right now? It'd be funny if you could move while sitting in the chair very slowly since it has wheels. I have to see because it can't be a block then. It'd have to be an entity. I might do it. I might do it because that'd be cool. Would go to bed. What up, J? Oh, I don't know how to say it. Joao. What up, Joao? The wheels won't roll. I thought it said Rolf. The wheels won't roll. What was that noise? What? Crunchy Cray. Crunchy Cray was that noise. I'm not sure what you're talking about. What are you talking about? It's not outside, is it? Crunchy Cray. We can make these wheels better. You want them to roll? You want them to roll? These wheels roll. These wheels will roll. Haters gotta hate. Haters gotta hate. Um, 1.1, 2.2. Make them roll. Like, it is possible for me to, you know, make it roll. We'd have to break up the model into lots of different components. Like, we would just have different parts. So it would have like the wheel part would have this leg part, and we can make more detail on it as well. Like, we could do that. Like, the thing is, like, the more detail we put into it, the more longer it's gonna take. Bum, 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 bum. I imagine a rolling chair. Oh my god. The things you could do. I'll have to see if I can do it or not. Like, I'll first create like the original intention of the chair, then we'll go on to later. Alright, there we go. Oh. What time did we start the live stream? It was 10:30, wasn't it? Okay, so I'm just figuring out how much time we got left. We got 40 minutes left of this live stream, guys. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you go over to my Twitter if you guys want to get a shout out at the end of this live stream today. And if you guys are enjoying this live stream, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now. And also turn on these bell notifications so you get notified when I actually go live on YouTube. Because if you don't know, I go pretty much live every single day of the week at 10:30, 10 a.m. One of those times. Well, that's my time, but to you guys, it's like the afternoon time when you get home from school. You know, which is good if you're from America. That is, should say that. If you're from America. You're from America, US of A's, the US of A's. Alright, 1, 2. Alright. Let's disable the east and west faces because we don't need them. And then we're going to use this texture. Oh, yeah. Maybe even... What's a gray stone? That look good? Oh, it looks good actually. Having a bit of a different texture in there. Wheel axle 1. I don't know what else to call it. Oh, yeah. They look like Oreos. They look like Oreos. Why, Cray, why using Oreos as wheels? Why using Oreos as wheels? This is kind of strange if you ask me. Why am I using Oreos as wheels? 10 questions science still can't answer. Why is Cray using Oreos as wheels? That should be a custom achievement. Would Travelair travel 999 kilometers in the chair? Oh my god. That should be. Travel 1 kilometer in the chair would be cool. Well, Oreos are circles, now it will roll. You guys just don't like my models. You guys just don't like my models. I create the best models. What are you guys talking about? I create the best models. This will roll. Alright. So let's get files, save as. Minecraft, Let's Boat goes faster than ice on water. What? Don't know what you're meaning. Don't know what you're meaning, dude. I love your model. It's just funny to mess with the bounds of Minecraft. They're Oreos. They're Oreos. Alright, so we got the chair done. Now, based off of this model, we're gonna do a new. Oops. I gotta figure out how big this is gonna be. I'm trying to like judge it off how my chair's actually made. You should make YouTube a place you can visit on your computer in your device mod. Already been suggested a billion times and the answer is no. What computer do you use to play Minecraft on? It's a custom built PC. So it's not like a brand of computer. Add the ability so you can put your own website, your own made into your Minecraft browser thing, like connect to it, something, what? Okay, Buff Bear, this is the problem. Web displays, experimental mod. Only worked on Windows. Used an external library. Just overall very buggy experimental mod. Only did it because just to show that it is possible, but regardless it was buggy. Basically I'm not doing it. I've had this conversation too many times. Okay, so this is where we can choose what color of chair we want. I think. There's already an office chair in the community furniture mod, but it's not in 1.12, is it? And maybe somebody doesn't want to install the mod. I'm already doing that Spudjos. Double dab? No. No, dude. No, Sean. Red. Red. Spell red. Alright. Let's have a look at like a gaming char. I always dislike the look of gaming chairs, I'm not gonna lie. But they're probably comfy. Very comfy, have one at home. Alright. I don't know how I want to do this. Seat 1. Best chair in the world. Best chair in the world. Right there. Do you guys not agree with me? Do you guys not agree with me? Just that. It's a chair. You need arms. Perfect packing and release. Just straight up this buttered chair. The method item random name is undefined for type mod items. Learn Java is my answer to that one. Like, don't come to me if you have syntax errors. If you have working code that has a bug, then come to me. It's got 4 legs. 4 legs and 2 arms is a lot. Best chair in the world. Alright. Hold up. This will be funny. Ugh. Relax back, you know, when you're tired, when you're just chilling, when you just want to chill back and watch YouTube videos, when you actually want to do work. When you're trying to see, I don't know. When you're trying to play Minecraft. What the flip? What the flip? What option is that one? What option is that one? Can someone help me out here? What option is this chair position? What option is this chair position? The break your back position. My sister asked if the chair can roll. It can roll. Tell your sister that the chair can roll. Not yet. Death. Gaming time. Just relax back. A cute chair. Oh, I like that one. Like, what makes somebody want to go from this position all the way to this one? Like, whooshoo. Whooshoo. The therapy chair position. No. No. Ah! What's this chair? What's this chair? That is my chair. Alright, what's this one? What's this one? What's this chair position? What is this position? Someone explain to me what this position is. Why would you want that option? Why would you want that option? Alien tech. What about this option? The when you have to look if mum's coming through the door position. You have to look through the door quickly to see if mum's coming. Because you're like, oh crap, not supposed to be on the computer. Is mum coming? No. Mum coming? No. So true. Is mum coming? Nope. It's past my bedtime but I'm still on the computer. Whoops. Whoop. I am laughing so hard. Is that Dad? Oh shit, Mum's coming. Put the chair back in the normal position. Alright, get back into bed. I already responded, Techie. I said, learn what the error is, because it's a Java problem, not a modding problem. Hi, how your day going, Cray? They always ask you how your day going, not how you doing. They never ask how I'm doing. Nah, my day's doing good, Panda. Cheers for asking there. Crap, Mum's coming. Oh, that's funny. Alright, so let's add in what would be the arms. Oh, that's cool. I don't know how I want to do the chair. I don't know. Alright, let's get back up. Who disliked? The chair goes in a direction the world has never seen before. Gaming chairs are hard. Only thing I don't like is this big kind of right angle. Pray to the cheese, 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 cheese. I got the cheese, cheese, cheese. I got the cheese, cheese, cheese. That needs to be a super chat. I got the cheese, cheese, cheese. I got the cheese, cheese, cheese.
Cheese, cheese, cheese.
Everybody pray right now.
Cheese.
Pray.
Cheese.
Everybody has to pray. You gotta pray right now.
Cheese. 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 Cheese.
Thank you, everybody. Did everybody pray? Did you guys get on your hands and knees? Everybody got on their knees and prayed? If not, what the heck? Alright, I'm just kind of experimenting here because it's getting out of my range of confidence. I'm getting out of my range of confidence here. Oh, hail the cheese. I got the cheese, cheese, cheese. Oh god, here we go.
I got the cheese, cheese, cheese. I got the cheese, cheese, cheese. I got the cheese, cheese.
Dude, that's DJ Khaled's next song. Oh no, that's not him. He didn't sing that one. Shows how much I know about music. I got the cheese, cheese, cheese. It's hard creating it. I just hate the look of gaming chairs. Let's have a look. I'll make that one. It's not proportioned right. It looks too small. Happy cheese to all people. Miss Crayfish, I got the cheese next tip. So Piggles farted in my mansion? Oh god. This is such a confusing part. I just don't know if it's going to be too big. Maybe what we'll do is this, right? Do like this, right? Trim 1. Oh damn, game and chair. The gaming chair's real. Doesn't look too bad. But the problem is it might be too high, but we can always like change that later on. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. That's better. Alright, I'll try and do these actions. This is me right now. This is me right now. Let's bring it up one. Let's bring it up one. Okay, that's a bit better. Straight. Forward. Forward. It's forward. What the f— I'm gone. I'm dead. I am dead. Bring it back. Bring it back, someone. Help me. Oh god, where is it? Oh god. We're back to normal. Alright, I was just testing out the settings. I was testing out the settings. Oh my god, it's a gap. Gaming chair. Dabbing, all my friends will sub. No, they won't. So many new subscribers. Neat. Alright. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, rotation on that. Pretty damn close to perfect. Pretty damn close to perfect if you ask me. Could always make this.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger? 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 What if I go stronger?
Alright, and this has to be. Whoops. Which one is it? It's not that. Looks pretty good so far. I like this song. Do you actually live in a mansion, and can you do vlogs? I don't live in a mansion, and I don't know if I'll do vlogs or not. It's a little bit rude. I don't actually have a previous button. We have 13 minutes left of this live stream today, guys. 13 minutes left. Alright, I'll say this side. One armrest. Armrest 2. Best chair. It's not finished yet, but... So basically... Trim 3. Somebody here. Alright. I'll just say trim 4. I want to know what this looks like in game. What do you guys think? Looks like a pretty cool gaming chair. Looks like a pretty good gaming chair if you ask me. I've seen a lot of gaming chairs in my life, as is easily the best one. Cheese and Cracker Army. Pretty sure that's what it's called already. The Cheese and Cracker Army. So trim 5. Alright, there we go. That's pretty good. Trim 6. It's been pretty risky not saving this, but I'm going to save it right now. I'm saving this. Hold up. Looks pretty good. Looks comfy. Who would sit in that? Who would sit in that? Save project as chair. Office. Chair. Full. Say office. Char. So let's go this dot set default state this dot block state get base state with property facing enum facing north. Whoops, public. There we go. So it should be fine. Let's try it out. Make a 3D printer, please. We got 5 minutes left of this live stream, guys. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right in half. Let's see if this actually works. No, it won't, because I haven't done a block state. Pretty sure that's all we gotta do. Alright. Any more mods coming from you? Not at this point. Not at this point. Why you not load? Why you not load?
You should add like a stopwatch / timer to the stream window so everyone can see how long it has gone on for. Oh, and also, cheese, cheese.
Should I add a stopwatch timer?
Cheese.
Yeah, maybe.
Cheese.
That'd be good because people always jump in and don't realize how long it's gone for. And as well, you can't scroll back, so it does seem like I stream just started or something like that. Block office chair. Alright, maybe it's just that. Alright, let's restart this again. You'll see a black screen for a second here, guys, don't worry. You'll see a black screen for a second. It's all good. But yeah, cheers there for the super chat, Fabby50. See you later, Noodle. Did it actually explode the jar? I didn't see it. I always keep missing it. Okay. Straight off the bat is too small. Oh, what the heck? Hold up. No. Hold up, guys. Straight off the bat is too small. So let's say we had this. I mean, ignore the issues with it right now. But I think if we had like this. Like, it's too small. Like, I'm all about creating, like, the laptop's bigger than the chair. The laptop is bigger than the chair. So, we definitely gotta make this chair bigger. The wheels could probably stay the same, it's just the top part that needs to be bigger. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Does not look good, I tell you that right now. What happened to that texture? Forward slash chair size bigger. Yeah, it's just the chair part that needs to be bigger. So I reckon it needs to, yeah, it just needs to be a bigger base, bigger back, taller, and I think it will look good. Like, we're getting there. The X-raying though, the X-raying though. The ultimate gaming setup right now. The ultimate gaming setup. Who would want that gaming setup? Which gaming setup would you guys want? Red? Red. Such a simple thing to fix. Yeah, it should be easy. Crunchy Cray, Crunchy Cray. But that's going to end off this live stream today. I'm not going to continue on with this. I'll continue on it tomorrow. Continue with it tomorrow where we actually make it bigger and make it look like it actually fits into the mod. Make it actually look like it fits into the mod. Because, right, I mean, it does fit into the mod. It just needs to be bigger. And then it will look a lot better. It'll look a lot better when it's bigger. But until that point, that's going to end off this live stream today. So I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts while I'm going over there. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. Snap it right in half. Let's go. Let's check out the. retweets over here. Let's make sure some people may have quoted. We got M Coded, Tron XT, always with the retweets there. Appreciate you. I'm not sure who you are in the chat, but let me know if you're in the chat, Tron XT. We got Techie Data YouTube, Joseph 1000, Haunted Corpse, Austin TV, Fabby50, Game Builder 101, Duncan, Tyler756, Blue Barracuda, and Scatter Strike Studios. Cheers, guys, there for your support. I think, yeah, that was everybody. Thank you guys for your support over there on Twitter. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, let's get to end of the live stream. Turn on bell notifications as well. Oh yeah, we got good progress done today. We got good progress done today. I'm happy. I'm happy. It's too small. It's too small. Alright guys. See you later. Bye.